Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzitho is about a video of abasebenzi basestairs. I mean like abo chef basestairs bayenze garden stairs, guys. So guys, let me just post a video, then I'll come back.
How's it?
Hey,
Why leave garden? Liberega kamar.
hey, Smran. Witi mudimu pe.
Where is the owner?
Come here.
I'm coming. We are going to fight and it's not going to be nice. Stop everything. Stop everything, my brother. We will speak to the employer. I've got all the right. You will know it better. You've got all the right. You've got all the right. I'm telling you. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. If workers, you are abusing these workers. That's an abuse of workers. I'm saying that's an abuse of workers. You can't do this. This brother is a chef. He must work in the chef. He's not a gardener. Why do you do this with black people? That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't. That's nonsense. That's what you're doing with the people. I'm telling you that's nonsense. These are not gardeners. I'm saying these are not gardeners. These are not gardeners.
Tina, we are just helping you guys. This is wrong. It's gonna hit.
These people are not gardeners. You can't tell.
Guys, if you look at this video, guys, there's a guy there who's wearing impahla zama-chef there. That means this person usebenza ekitchen yababona laba abanye abayi-2 mhlawumbe ama-waiter. But the other guy, you can see i-PPE yakhe ukuthi this person is a chef, but he is making a garden. He's doing garden, guys, for the company. I do not know ukuthi how can a chef iyenze garden, and what I know ukuthi they won't pay them for the money garden. So the Stairs has released a statement saying bongala msebenzi, and this is not something eyenze kanjalo, but because of the company they called ukuthi izoyenza garden, it was delaying. They decided to bathatha abasebenzi babo ukuthi benze garden because bongasekho clean. We know because of the rains, the season esikuyo has a lot of rains. So vele utshani buzoba bukhulu khula lizoba likhulu, but that doesn't make the manager right ukuthi athathe abantu abasebenza phakathi esitolo abenzisa garden, because I do know ukuthi njengoba benzisa futhi during working hours, that means they won't get paid for imali garden there. Maka ngalimali umuntu alapha, then uzombhadala kanjani company, because zabe sokuthiwa ulimele out of the shop, outside of the shop, but when you are working as a waiter or you are working as a chef bofunani ngaphandle. Makangachayiswa imoto lapha, makangashawa ile rharava liphethe, izabe sokuthiwa no bekalibambeleni irharava emsebenzini, knowing so well ukuthi imanager ethi asebenze ngaphandle. Uyabona ukuthi why abantu bangafuni ukusebenza ema-restaurant, and you see ukuthi abantu abamnyama badlala ngabantu abamnyama kanjani. How can a whole chef iyosebenza ngaphandle ku-garden? That means manganama-customer uyi-gardener, manganama-customer uyi-chef, manganabantu abaklinayo you are also becoming a cleaner. Awuzazi wena ukuthi uchasheleni uholela umsebenzi oyi-1 but uyenza yonke imisebenzi. This is so wrong, guys. This is so wrong. I felt nje for labantu, and it's so sad ukuthi ubona umunye umuntu avuke ekuseni emsebenzini ukuthi ayohlukumezwa kanje. Ama-workplace guys, they are so toxic, and I feel like this video is not trending enough because I don't understand ukuthi why Stairs zenza abantu kanje. I really don't understand. And the Stairs, guys, if you go to ama-mall, Stairs kuyagcwala. You understand ukuthi labantu laba on a normal day or nje, especially ngama-weekends and ama-pay dates, alamalanga sazi ukuthi abantu bahola ngawo like abo-15, 25, 31st nje month end, lawo malanga lawo. You understand ukuthi Stairs kugcwala kanjani. Funny enough, they won't give you extra cash because umsebenzi bomningi, but umsebenzi bomncane kuthiwa mawuyenze omunye umsebenzi. This is so sad, guys. I feel sad for these guys. And when the guy said mbambuzile ukuthi why Lisa Garden are Usiba Morena. That means now they don't know, and then they are used to this behavior. They are used to with azikho izitsha uzoklina phansi, if awukwazi klina phansi uyenza igarden. Asikho isito sokuthi they hired a garden what, asikho le nto leyo, into engekho nje ukuthi they hired a garden what, into bazali bami zitho. That is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Inithanda ukuya nokubuya.